there guys, this is Tracey here and welcome back to Toy Broadway. Today I'm going to be unboxing Terminal Playset and taking a really close look. This is a bilingual toy from Little Learner with so many exciting features.
Welcome to the airport. Welcome to the airport.
Let's buy some souvenirs.
Please do not leave your baggage unattended.
Here we go. It's a busy day at the airport today. We have two visitors to the airport today.
Hello.
Miss Nouveau, who's a French lady, and Mr. Smith, who's an English man. They are both visiting New York to see the sights. Luckily, the airport announcements are both in English and French.
Welcome to the airport.
There's somewhere to sit inside. Have the suitcase scanned.
Scanning.
A body scanner. Airport control. There is an airline checking in desk.
Welcome to the airport.
And a luggage carousel.
Welcome to the airport.
Let's buy some souvenirs.
Please do not leave your baggage unattended.
And now it is time for our passengers to get onto the aeroplane.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Once you have located your seat, we ask you that you please step out of the aisle so the passengers behind you can pass you. This will expedite our boarding process. Your large carry-on items need to go in the overhead compartments. Your smaller ones underneath the seat in front of you, keeping all exits and aisles clear.
Let's listen to the sounds inside the plane.
Hi, I'll be your flight attendant today. We will be offering juice, soft drinks, and snacks on this flight. We are offering pretzels, peanuts, and chips today.
Cool. And now the pilot's in position. Let's listen to the pilots.
This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard Toy Airline. We have smooth skies ahead of us today, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Please fasten your seatbelt and prepare for takeoff.
so cool. And there's even somewhere the luggage. down in the hold. We have Tonka Rescue Response Station, and this is the very cool Tiny set. It looks awesome, so time to unbox. Here we go. Oh wow, look at this guys. This is awesome. We have the rescue station itself. We've got a bag of awesome extra pieces. And we've got 3 exclusive vehicles that have been included. So we have 2 very cool vehicles here. One a fire engine, one an ambulance. They're so tiny. And here comes a Tonka Tiny's fire engine in yellow with a ladder that rotates. So cool. Hey there guys, and welcome back. I've got another fantastic toy to share with you. It's the 2-in-1 Jupiter. It goes from this to this. How amazing is that? And of course it features our hero next door, Fireman Sam. So it's time to unbox. Here we go. Looks like we've got a Fireman Sam vehicle here. Oh, that possibly could be Fireman Sam. Cool. Oh wow. There's lots of tools and boxes and fire extinguishers and all different pieces in here. And now look what we've got. We've got the 2-in-1 Jupiter. How cool is that, guys? Okay, let's see how it fits together. So cool, I'd like to see that in double quick time. Okay, let's make Jupiter into a playset again. Now let's take a look at what goodies are in the bag. Wow, it's Fireman Sam's Mercury vehicle. It's so cool. Has somewhere for Fireman Sam to sit and somewhere to keep his firefighting equipment. Nice. And what do we have in this little bag? We have Fireman Sam wearing his firefighter's helmet. He's got some metal cutters and a walkie-talkie.
A good fireman is never off duty.
Just look at all the other tools that Fireman Sam has. There's a broom, a pickaxe, a loudspeaker, an axe, a shovel, a lamp. So many things, a saw. Also, a pair of binoculars. Well done, Fireman Sam. And what do we have in this bag? Lots of things to go in the playset. Shall we put it together? Let's give Fireman Sam a computer and somewhere to keep his things. Cool. Very good, Fireman Sam. And here's a rack to keep other tools. Awesome! He can turn Mercury around no problem. So now Mercury is ready to drive away at any time. Let's see Fireman Sam's lift. He steps inside and up he goes. Ready to fire the water cannon. Here we go. Cool. And now Fireman Sam's going to use his slide.
Ah!
Here he comes again.
Ah!
Fireman Sam says be sure to like this video and share with all of your friends.